Step into the world of serenity and sophistication with our video tour of 11 beautifully designed living rooms. These spaces are a testament to the timeless beauty of simplicity, featuring pristine white walls and exquisite wooden furnishings that evoke a sense of calm and eco-friendliness. As you explore each room, you'll be captivated by the elegant yet straightforward ambience that defines this design aesthetic. It's a style that embraces the beauty of nature, with wooden furniture and decor elements that infuse the space with warmth and authenticity. The soft, natural color palette and eco-friendly materials used in these living rooms create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and tranquility. You'll find yourself surrounded by an aura of freshness and simplicity that is both timeless and refreshing. Don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Become a part of our community that celebrates the fusion of natural elegance and modern design, where every element tells a story of comfort, sustainability, and the beauty of simplicity.